When sizing for your child's school blouse, you will need their chest measurement. To get this, run the tape measure around the fullest part of their chest, usually around a couple of inches below their armpit. Try not to pull the tape measure too tight. But you also don't need to allow for comfort or growth, as Trutex products are designed with growth room built in. Take a note of the size in inches. Now you have their chest measurement, you can choose their closest blouse size. Top tip: use the age guides on the Trutex size charts to help choose the right size for your child. You can browse the size guides on the Trutex website.